So in order to fix the HVCI enabled error on Valorant, you need to follow these steps. Step 1 is that you need to restart your computer and go into your BIOS. And depending upon what motherboard do you have or what BIOS is installed on it, you need to press F1, F2, F10, delete, or even F8 key. You can see once your computer is restarting, somewhere here you will see press this key to enter the BIOS. So just see that and press that, you'll enter the BIOS. In the BIOS, you can look for virtualization if you know where it is. Otherwise, you can click the search bar and then search for virtualization. And in wherever it is, you need to make sure that it is enabled. If it is already enabled, it's okay. If it is not, you need to make sure that it is enabled. In Intel virtualization tech is enabled. If somehow you are unable to find it out, you can look for it in the overclock or security tab settings. You can also see for that in CPU features under the advanced tab. In any case, exit the BIOS and click the save options and restart your computer. Next, you need to click the search bar on your Windows desktop. Here you need to type the core isolation. From the pop-up menu, select core isolation system settings, and you need to make sure that this is selected to on position and toggle the memory integrity switch to its on position. Now you have to restart your computer to apply the core isolation changes. So restart the computer, and now you can launch the Valorant game to verify that the issue has been resolved.